Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. On today's entrepreneurial training section, we shall be teaching how you can make a groundnut butter, which is peanut butter at home. We've talked about how to make a very smooth peanut butter, but we need to teach you also how to make some peanut butter that has peanuts in it, that has groundnut in it. So it's almost the same as our last section, just a little bit different. So let's go into the preparation. But before we move into that, if you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly do so. And if you're yet to subscribe to our Facebook page, kindly do so. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Let's move into today's training. So in today's training, we need peanuts itself in order to make peanut butter. So this is our granite, the way it is being purchased from hawkers. This granite has been roasted and it has been peeled. But you can also buy granite, fry it a little, not too brown, so that you can have good production. And if you're doing in large quantity, it's easier to buy and roast yourself, so that to economize the money, so that you limit the amount you'll be spending. So this is my granite. I poured it in the grinder, then pour in my honey. My honey is not too pure, but at least just for this practical sake. So that's my honey. Then I'll be adding salt. So this is sugar. All this is just to sweeten it. You can decide not to add depending on your customers and what you want to produce or what you want to use at home. Adding sugar and salt is just to sweetening, especially honey. And if you have chocolate, you can also blend it along. So you'll be adding vegetable oil, but I'm adding soya oil. Anyone you like. I'm adding soya oil just because that is what I lay my hands on. You can use vegetable oil because we are not using water, so we'll be using vegetable oil to at least make it run faster on the engine, so that everything can get mold first and give us what we want on time. So vegetable oil is just used as a base oil for the production. So we start grinding. So after grinding a little, we need to open it and take some particles out of it. You know, this has been grinded a little, but it is not smooth enough, so we take some out. So the logic is for us to grind this to the fullest, to our satisfaction, then add the ones that we removed to what we have produced, so that we still have some granite in our mix. So this is what I took out. This is not well grinded, this is just being mashed a little. So I would continue with this, blend it till I am okay. This is my peanut. It is going, but it can still go better, so I'm closing again in order to grind more. I think this is better now. So as you can see, this is the peanuts. We can use this on our bread right now. So I'll be adding this, the one I removed, to it in order to have granite, to have the taste, the feeling of granite in our production. So after adding, I just blend just a little, just want a good mix, so that we don't have the granite in just one part of peanuts. So after doing that, I put it in a container and we're through. So that's our peanuts. So we just add this to a container. Then you can use this to eat whatever you want to, bread, garden egg, and so on. So this is all about having a peanut butter that has granite in it, that has granite flavor in it, granite taste in it. So thank you very much for following us, and please, if you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, kindly do so. And if you're yet to follow us on Facebook, please do so. You will also have an empowerment training book. It is called Entrepreneurial 101. This book has more than 40 productions you can do at home in terms of home care and skincare productions, soap, Dettol, and so on. And also we have more than 40 other businesses you can do both online and offline in this book. And the beauty of this is it is a book, not an ebook. So this will be shipped to your doorstep, and it is very cheap. Contact me on WhatsApp or give me a call to know more about this book. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali.